Oh, girl. Hey, baby. This is Sierra with her new foal. What time is it, Obs?
It's like 10:40.
10:40 p.m. And it's April 28th still. And, what's its name going to be, Obs?
Toes!
Oh, there's some toes trying to get off? What?
Bugs Zippo.
Can't hear you.
Bugs Zippo.
Bugs Zippo. So he's probably going to be called Bugs for a short name.
He or she.
Look at that color. It's a he. Look at a little baby he. Talk about some pretty color. Hey, yeah, he came out of there. I bet you, Aubrey, he weighs probably 50, 60 pounds. Easy.
He's got white toes.
Look at that color, huh?
He got white toes.
I know, I've seen that. He threw his foot right out. He's got Star's front or face. I mean, Star's Sky's face. Bigger than heck. Look at that face. He is so damn pretty.
Here's her fake Eddie.
Hey, girl.
He's right behind her.
Eddie, come on now, man.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh,
Hey,
he's going to try to get up, guys.
I'm sorry, it's late. Do you have any iodine at the barn? Do you?
I should have brought the floodlight out here instead.
Yeah.
Look at that white. I mean, talk about a brilliant white.
Oh, baby. Yeah, she just had it. A little colt, and it's got Sky's markings on his head, but he's got way more color.
She's so got Sky's face.
Yeah. So cute.
Oh, look at him. Look at that step. That's so cute. Unbelievable. Bugs Zippo. See, that's good, Mickey. I'm glad you're petting him, too, because I petted him and dried him off, so we majorly imprinted him. Whoa, he's got some throw on those feet. He's trying to come towards us.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Come here, little guy. Ooh, watch this.
Right.
Here he goes. Watch your feet, Obs. Aubrey, back up, because he got Mickey already.
Okay, thanks. Bye. Oh, good boy.
That won't bother him as much.